Second Ashra Dua. Second Ashra Dua with translation. The second Ashra of Ramzan is known as the Ashra of forgiveness. During this Ashra, Muslims focus on seeking forgiveness from Allah for the sins and wrongdoing. It is the time to repent and ask for forgiveness, and the best way to do so is through dua. Dua for the second ashra. Astaghfirullah Rabbi min Kulli Zambiyon Atubu Ilaih. Dua mean I seek forgiveness from Allah, my Lord, for all my sins, and I turn toward Him. It is a powerful supplication that seek Allah forgiveness and guidance. Reciting this dua with a sincere heart can help one to seek Allah forgiveness and start a new life free from sins.